Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Sanxir AirTube headphones. There are features include radiation protection. Patented AirTube technology and shielded wiring achieves 99.9% radiation reduction. Effectively move your cell phone away from your head, reducing your exposure to radiation. Good sound quality. Sanxir's AirTubes protect you from cell phone radiation while still providing a satisfying audio experience. Compatibility: only iPhone 17 series, iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 series, and works with most of Android phones that have a USB-C port. Intelligent control technology. Inline controls are conveniently located, allowing you to control volume, select songs, and take calls. Comfortable fit. Come with winged ear tips for personalized fit. Winged earphone tips is designed according to the ear, provide additional support and grip for the earbuds, keeping away from the hassle of falling out your ear. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.